Just imagine packing your bags, moving to a beautiful European country, and getting paid to do it. Sounds good to be true, right? But guess what? It is 100% real. When many people dream of relocating to Europe, they often worry about the cost. But what if I told you that some cities and towns in Europe are actually willing to pay you to move there? Yes, they will offer cash incentives, free housing, tax breaks, and other perks just for choosing their city as your new home. And for my fellow Nigerians who are thinking of greener pastures, this could be your golden ticket. Whether you are looking for a fresh start, a business opportunity, or just an adventure, this list of 10 places in Europe that will pay you to relocate may be exactly what you need. So, stick around as we explore these hidden gems, what they offer, and how you can take advantage of these incredible opportunities. Let's dive right in. I know quite well that you are very eager to know these 10 places in Europe that will pay you to move there. Not so? Let's get right in. The first city is in Switzerland called Alpinen. This Alpinen is a small village in the Swiss Alps with breathtaking views. The local government offers up to 25,000 shekels per adult and 10,000 shekels per child to attract new residents. Which city is number 2? Let's go to Italy. And that city is called precisely Aquirica in Italy. This shabby town in southern Italy offers up to 30,000 euro to people who move there and buy a house. This particular city has many historic homes that need renovation. So, their intent is to bring new life to this area. The third city you want to know is in Spain, called Ponga. Yes, Ponga in Spain. Ponga is also a very beautiful village in the northern part of Spain, and they are ready to pay families 3,000 euros to settle there, with additional 3,000 euro per child that is born there. And what is the purpose? These programs aim to increase the population and keep the local community thriving, bubbling with life. A very beautiful environment for those who are seeking a very peaceful lifestyle. Let's move to city number 4. We are still in Spain, and it is called Rubia. Yes, Rubia in Spain. This city also offers up to 150 euro per month to families who move there. This rat town in Galicia is perfect for people who love quiet country life. And the government hopes to attract young families to prevent population decline. Now, city number 5 is called Antiketra, where in Greece. in Greece. What is so unique about this city? The population is fewer than 50 people. And therefore, to encourage new residents, the Greek Orthodox Church offered 500 euro, which is about $540 per month for the first 3 years. For the first 3 years of moving to this city, you'll be paid 500 euros per month. Not only that, you will also be offered free housing and food. What can be better than that? Can you imagine moving to a city and you are being given free food and housing for the first 3 months? I mean, for the first 3 years, not 3 months, first 3 years. This could be your paradise if you dream of living on a peaceful island with stunning beaches. Now, up to this moment, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do it now. Subscribe, like, and share for others to also enjoy the goodies. Now, let's move to the sixth city. The sixth city. We move to Italy, and that is called Candela, Italy. Candela, a small town in Italy around Puglia region, offer up to 2,000 euro to new residents. But this amount depends on the size of your family. Those who are singles get 800 euro, while couples get 1,200 euros. So if you have children, you get more. If you are single, you are paid 800 euro for moving into this city. And this city is a lively town with beautiful streets. You get food and a friendly community. So Candela in Italy is a very good place to move to, and will pay you to do that. Let's go to the city number 7. And this one is found in UK. It is called Sac Channel. Sac Channel. Sac is a tiny island between England and France, and they offer financial help to people that are willing to start businesses there. While there's no direct cash incentives, the local government support new entrepreneurs by offering low taxes, affordable land, and grants for starting businesses. One unique thing about this city is it is a car-free island. So you are free from carbon monoxide. So it's a very peaceful and unique place to live. Now, let's move to city number 8. Where can that be found? In the Netherlands. And the place is called Utrecht. Utrecht is part of a Dutch city offering residents a basic income. Interestingly, international residents may also benefit from this program, primarily meant for locals or citizens. Utrecht is a fantastic option for you if you want to live in a lively, bike-friendly city with a strong economy and also an excellent quality life. So this is what is being offered in this city, and they are ready to pay you for moving into this city that is found in the Netherlands. City number 9 is called Molise. Molise in Italy. This Molise is a lesser known Italian region, and they offer 700 euro per month for the first 3 years of you migrating to that city. So, Molise is saying, welcome. And they're ready to pay you how much? 700 euros. Why pay such an amount of money? This initiative aims to revive small towns that are losing their population. So, if you love internet culture and want to run a small business, well, Molise could be an excellent option for you. Now, before I reveal the 10th city, have you subscribed, like, and share this channel? Well, I encourage you to do so. Now, let's move to the last city now. City number 10 is called Kalymnos. Where is it found? In Greece. In Greece. Kalymnos, a beautiful island in Greece, offer financial aid to families with children that are ready to move there. The local government hopes to increase the school population, and the island is famous for rock climbing, diving, and stunning sea views, make it perfect for adventure lovers. Now, take a minute. Do you now see the reason why these 10 cities are looking for people to migrate and are even ready to pay for them to move into these cities? It is because of declining population. Declining population. Unlike Nigerians, who may have 4 or 5 or 10 in a family, these places have refused to give birth to children. And therefore, the population is declining. Is declining. So they want a vibrant environment. And that's why they encourage foreigners to come in, and they're even ready to pay you for doing just so. So, what are we waiting for? Make your research, start the processing, and as you do, very soon, and you get your visa granted to move to these various cities. So if you have questions in particular, maybe specifically about any of this region, and you want to reach out to me, my contact is there. Let us chat on WhatsApp so that we can take the discussion further. In fact, I'm going to offer those who are very serious and about all this visa issue. We're going to have a premium Telegram group, so where I will have those people put together. You ask a question, and we offer answers to your various questions. And I'll be working with some visa experts who are licensed anyway, that will be taking your question also. So not just me. So I'm going to have a team of people that are working to help you out with your visa processing. And most of these things, ladies and gentlemen, they are do yourself. It is something you can do on your own. They are there online. All you need is just direction and guideline to do it properly. So, subscribe, like, and share this video with many of your friends who may be looking for the same information. And you should look forward to new video every Monday of the week. You will see a new video release. So, the notification bell just click on it so that once I drop a video, then you'll be alerted to watch the video. So make sure you watch my next video. Click subscribe, share the video for others to enjoy. My next video is going to be about Portugal. This is a country where many of our students should go and study. What are the process? What are the step-by-step guide to study in Portugal? This will be the next topic of discussion in my video. So make sure you watch the next one, which will be centered on study visa in Portugal. How to do it yourself. I will reveal everything to you.